Hi viewers, welcome to Sevivali Kalvi channel. Today let us see the KVL KCL circuit designing by using PSpice simulation tool. So Arcade PSpice is one of the important tool which is used for designing various kind of electronic devices and circuits. So for this we just go for PSpice simulation tool. So from the search select PSpice design manager. So the new window will appear here. After that go to tools. So in this schematic will be there. Select this schematic and the new window will appear. This is the area to draw the new circuit whatever we want to uh, take as a different circuit. Now I can consider various resistors. So in this concept we are going to see about the KVL and KCL, that is Kirchoff's voltage law and Kirchoff's current law. So Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law are simply known as the types of Kirchhoff's laws. So that means Kirchhoff's current law is algebraic sum of entering current which is equal to algebraic sum of leaving current. So in any closed circuit or any kind of circuit, what are the different number of circuit elements are there, and the entering currents are addition of all entering currents which is equal to addition of all leaving currents, or simply we can say the algebraic sum of all the currents which is equal to 0. Similarly, KVL law is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So algebraic sum of all the voltages which is equal to 0. So the Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law circuit can be drawn here. So first for this I just take a resistor. So the resistor can be picked from this part library. So for this I can press R, so and put enter. So now the resistor component is taken from this area, and I just place this three kind of resistors and press escape button. And again I want to take resistor means again I can take R and press here, and one more resistor can be taken. So now three resistors and four resistors are taken. So apart from this I want to take DC power. So for this DC voltage source can be taken. So I just take and place it here, and finally we have to take the ground. So in this ground earth is one of the uh, part which is available in this PSpice. So that is the ground value is equal to 0. So that can be taken and placed here. Now we have to make a wire connection between all these circuit elements. So first we have to rotate all these resistors from top to bottom. So I just click left click this resistor and plus control R. It will be rotated. Similarly again we can press this resistor and control R. The rotated will be happen. We can move this resistor here and place it, and after that we can take wire. So this is the tool which is used for draw the wires. So just to click it and the pencil tool is there. We can draw the wire, make a connection between voltage source and one resistor. Again we can draw the connection between these resistor and power supply. Now the connection made here. Again we can make the connection between this resistor and the ground, and after that make a connection between these two. Again we have to make a connection between these two resistors, and again we can make a connection between these resistor. So now the connections made properly. So here one more dot point is there, so it may create a error. So we have to remove that. Again you take the wire and place properly. So again it makes some error. Take the wire again and properly connect. Only one dot should be there. Otherwise, the netlist error will be created. Now there is no problem. So the connection between all the resistors and power supply grounds are completed now. Now we can enlarge it by pressing zoom. So now you can check, set the different values for voltage. So here I can click this. Instead of the 0 volt, if you want to give 5 volt or 2 volt or 3 volt, etc., the DC volts can be given here. So I just give 5 volt. And here, instead of this 1K, I want to change 2K means you just double click it and change this value. Again, here I want to change some other value, 560 ohm. I can take simply 560. And here, instead of 1K, I want to give 2.7K. Here I can take this. Again, instead of this 1.5K, I want to take, I just replace it. So these are the different values I have given for 4 resistors. Now we have to find what is the voltage drop across this particular resistor and what are the different currents flow through this resistor. So this example is for KVL and KCL laws. So for this you have to save first. So by clicking save button, now the default location which is saved in PSpice, that is in different drive directory. Here I can give the name. So already I have completed KCL and KVL. So I give KCL1 schematic and save it. So now the name of this KCL1 is renamed in this location, PSpice schematics. And after that, we can use the voltage marker and current marker. So this voltage marker can be placed here before this resistor. How many resistors you have? So in that location, you can place this voltage marker. So that means what are the different voltage drop across this resistor can be shown in this voltage marker. Similarly, if you want to find the current, so current also can be taken here. So in this location, so now the current markers are placed in different resistors area. Now the connection part is over. Now we have to set the values. So here the setup analysis there. So in this window, we have to choose DC sweep. That checkbox should be enabled and DC sweep should be enabled. We open it and here we can give V1. That is our voltage source name, V1, and our start value is 0 volt. So what is the minimum voltage value for this voltage source? Is 0 volt. So we can give this 0 volt here, and the maximum voltage is 5 volt, and the deviation between one value to another value is zero point 0.5. So now we can give and set this values, put OK, click OK and close this window. Now you can simulate your circuit. You can see the simulation process is going on. After simulation, you can get a graph and also what is the voltage drop across this resistor and the current flow through this resistor. Everything can be appear here. So this green values are voltage values. That means the exact 5 volt is present in this DC source. The same voltage is across this 2K resistor, and after this now it is reduced 90.57 millivolt is the voltage drop across this resistor, and also for this resistor 353.77 millivolt. So depends on the resistor value, the voltage can be varied. At the same time, current values also appeared here, are displayed in this area, because in this we have to select this displaying of voltage value and current value. So for this we go for analysis and display results on schematics, enable voltage display and enable current display. So if I disable this value, directly we can't able to find the exact value for this voltage drop and current value. But if you want to display in the circuit itself, so you have to choose analysis and display results on schematic, enable voltage display. At the same time, click this enable current display. Now, how many number of circuit elements are there? Each and every circuit element voltage drop and current flow through the circuit elements can be determined. So this is the different kind of simulation method is used for finding the or measuring the exact values for any kind of electrical circuits by using the PSpice. So with the help of this different circuits, the KVL and KCL theorem can be verified now. I hope everyone understands this concept clearly. So in laboratory, we are using voltmeter and ammeter, which is connected nearest to this resistor. This value can be determined. The same can be done via this simulation by using this PSpice simulation tool. So this can be checked during the descriptive laboratory experimentation. I hope everyone understands this concept. Thank you all. If you have any doubts, you can comment on this video. Kindly all of you subscribe my channel. Thank you.